To maintain optimal tool performance, the inductor pad should be replaced regularly. To do this, first remove the worn inductor pad. This can be found under the hand inductor or on the bottom of the stand-up tool. If you are using the stand-up tool, be sure to place the tool on its side. Clean the area thoroughly. Locate the spare pads that come with your Isoweld B tool. Peel the green backing off the pad. Place the adhesive side on the inductor. The inductor is now ready for use. For proper preventative maintenance, be sure to store the tool batteries at 2/3 charge in a dry, temperature-controlled location. Thanks for watching the Isoweld B informational series. Please note that all tool demonstrations in this series are shown using the Isoweld B mobile cart. If you have any further questions, please contact your local SFS sales representative or visit us at us.sfs.com.